Madam Speaker, I'm taking this call on behalf of ACT to support the Broadcasting Repeal of Advertising Restrictions Amendment Bill. Madam Speaker, this bill makes a very simple change, but a very important change to the Broadcasting Act 1989. As that Act, we know, as it says, Act 1989, we can see that it's outdated in some aspects, and one of the aspects that is outdated is Section 81. And so this bill is to repeal Section 81. It doesn't do anything that we have heard from the previous speaker. It doesn't give any funding to any media outlet. What it does is it gives the opportunity to traditional linear TV and radio broadcasts to go out and compete with other platforms to generate the revenue that they can through advertising. Madam Speaker, on this side, we don't mind sitting with our cup of coffee in front of TV or radio, listening to radio or watching TV when there are some ads being played, because we know that that's how they are going to generate revenue. And Madam Speaker, on this side, we also believe that taxpayers should not be funding any businesses, because media companies are like businesses, any other businesses, and so we should not be funding these media outlets through taxpayers' money, and then taxpayers' money should not be bailing out any struggling media companies. It's up to them to go out, create value for their customers, for their audience, to attract advertising. Madam Speaker, we want to make sure, because of the advancement of technology that we have seen, there are so many different types of platforms available now for people to watch news, to watch programs, that the Section 81 doesn't apply to those platforms. We want to see that it becomes fair for traditional linear TV and radio as well, so that they can also generate revenue through advertising. Yes, the estimated value is around $6 million, but it's up to them. They can go out, compete, create value, generate as much as they like in revenue through advertising. Madam Speaker, it's very important also to note that that this is about modernizing our Act. This is about modernizing our Act. It's not about anything else that we have heard from the previous speaker. Now, Madam Speaker, as the chair of the Economic Development, Science and Innovation Select Committee, I want to thank everybody who was involved in the consideration of this bill. I also want to thank all submitters. We received 41 submissions, and we heard from 6 submitters, which was really a good, I would say 41 submissions on this bill is a very good number. And as it happens, we had a range of views from submitters. Some submitters thought that the restriction should be extended to all platforms, which we know is not going to be feasible. Some thought that maybe it should be a partial restriction, but we have to also take into consideration the cost of that. And that's why, Madam Speaker, we have decided that it should be a full repeal of Section 81. And it makes sense, Madam Speaker. As I said, media companies are like businesses, any other businesses that we have, and taxpayers should not be bailing out any struggling companies. It's up to them to go out and generate revenue, and they will generate revenue if they are able to attract audience. So we support this bill and commend this bill to the House. Thank you.